Hey everyone, today we're looking at the best robot vacuum and mop combos you can buy right now. I'm breaking down the ones that truly stand out whether you want powerful suction, smarter features, better pet hair cleaning, or a hands-free experience. Let's start with the one that surprised me the most, the Roborock Q10S5 Plus. And honestly, this budget pick delivers features you normally expect from more expensive robot vacuums. You're getting powerful 10,000 PA suction designed to handle dust, dirt, and pet hair across carpets and hard floors. The brush system is great for pet owners because it helps reduce hair tangles and keeps maintenance easier. But the biggest advantage here is convenience. The auto-empty dock handles the dirt for you, while smart navigation maps your home and cleans more efficiently. Plus, with vacuuming and mopping together, it gives your floors a complete everyday clean. Now, for the honest part. Since this is still the budget model, you won't get every advanced feature found on premium robots. The mopping is good for daily use, but higher-end models offer smarter automation and deeper cleaning. But considering the balance of price, power, and convenience, the value here is seriously impressive. If you want reliable cleaning without flagship pricing, the Q10S5 Plus is an amazing place to start. But if you want smarter mopping, more automation, and a robot that feels even more hands-free, the next option takes things to another level. Moving up from the budget option, my next pick is the eufy Omni E25. And this is where robot cleaning starts to feel much smarter. The big upgrade here isn't just stronger cleaning power, it's how much of the work this robot can handle by itself. Because most people don't only want a vacuum that picks up dirt. They want something that saves time and makes daily cleaning easier. And that's exactly where the eufy Omni E25 stands out. You're getting a smarter cleaning system designed for people who want a more hands-free experience. The biggest highlight here is the advanced mopping system. Instead of dragging a dirty pad around your home, the mop system is designed to stay cleaner during the process, helping your floors get a fresher clean. And after the cleaning is done, the smart dock takes care of the maintenance. It can clean and dry the mop system automatically, so you're not constantly dealing with the messy parts yourself. You also get strong suction for everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair, plus smart navigation that helps it clean your rooms more efficiently. For busy homes, pet owners, and people with mostly hard floors, this is where robot cleaning starts to feel much more convenient. Now, for the honest part. The mopping is a big step above basic robots, but very tough dried stains may still need a little manual cleaning. So it's not perfect, but for daily automatic cleaning, the balance of performance, smart features, and convenience makes the eufy Omni E25 a great mid-range choice. But if you want something that brings you even closer to flagship performance, with a better balance of power and premium features, the next robot is where things get really exciting. Now we're getting into the really exciting stuff. My pick for the best balanced robot vacuum and mop is the Roborock Qrevo. This one gives you that perfect middle ground between budget robots and expensive flagship models. You get a more premium cleaning experience without jumping all the way to the highest price range. The biggest upgrade here is not just power, it's how intelligently this robot handles the cleaning process. It combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and an advanced mopping system designed to make everyday cleaning easier. Instead of just doing basic cleaning, the Qrevo is built to adapt and deliver a more complete clean. The mopping system keeps hard floors fresh, while the strong vacuum performance handles dust, dirt, and pet hair across different surfaces. It understands your home layout, creates efficient cleaning paths, and adjusts better between different cleaning situations. And this is where the convenience really stands out. You're not just getting stronger cleaning power, you're getting a robot designed to save time and make floor care feel almost automatic. For people who want premium performance without paying the highest flagship prices, this is where the value makes a lot of sense. Now, for the honest part. Even though this feels like a premium robot, it still doesn't include every extreme feature from the highest end models. Some flagship options offer more advanced automation and smarter obstacle handling. But for most homes, the balance of cleaning performance, smart features, and convenience makes the Roborock Qrevo one of the easiest robots to recommend. But if you want advanced AI, smarter automation, and a truly next-level cleaning experience, the next robot is where things get serious. Now we're moving into the premium level, and this is where robot vacuums start feeling seriously futuristic. My pick for the advanced smart cleaning category is the Roborock Saros 10R. This is not just about having more power, it's about having a robot that can understand your home better and handle difficult situations with less help from you. The biggest upgrade here is intelligence. The Saros 10R is designed with advanced navigation and obstacle detection, helping it move around everyday objects more confidently. So things like furniture, clutter, and complicated room layouts become much easier for the robot to manage. You also get powerful cleaning performance built for dust, dirt, carpets, and pet hair. And combined with its advanced mopping system, it gives you a much more complete floor cleaning experience. But what really makes this robot feel premium is the automation. The smart dock handles many of the maintenance tasks for you, from taking care of the mop system to keeping the robot ready for the next cleaning session. The goal here is simple: less time worrying about your floors and more time letting the robot handle the work. For busy homes, pet owners, or anyone who wants a more hands-free cleaning experience, this is a serious step above regular robot vacuums. Now, for the honest part. Because this is a premium robot, the biggest drawback is definitely the price. Not everyone needs this level of technology, especially if they only want basic daily cleaning. But if you want smarter navigation, stronger automation, and a robot that feels much closer to the future of home cleaning, the Roborock Saros 10R is one of the most impressive options. But now it's time for the number one spot, the robot that brings everything together: maximum power, premium features, and the most complete hands-free cleaning experience on this list. And finally, the number one robot vacuum and mop combo on this list is the DREAME X60 Ultra. This is the flagship option, built for people who want the most advanced and hands-free cleaning experience possible. At this level, it's not only about vacuuming and mopping anymore, it's about having a robot that can handle almost the entire floor cleaning process for you. You're getting extremely powerful cleaning performance designed for carpets, hard floors, dust, and pet hair. But what really makes the X60 Ultra special is the combination of smart technology, premium cleaning features, and automation. Its advanced navigation system helps it understand your home, avoid obstacles, and clean more efficiently without needing constant attention. The mopping system handles everyday floor cleaning, while the smart dock takes care of the maintenance side. The goal is simple: make floor care as effortless as possible. This is the type of robot made for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone who wants the closest thing to forgetting about cleaning floors. Now, for the honest part. The biggest downside is the price. This is a premium robot, and not everyone needs this much technology for simple everyday cleaning. But if you want maximum performance, smarter automation, and one of the most complete robot vacuum experiences available right now, the DREAME X60 Ultra is the clear winner. It's built for people who want the highest level of convenience and a robot that handles more of the work, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. So those are my top robot vacuum and mop picks. I'll leave the links below so you can check the latest prices and choose the robot that fits your cleaning needs and budget.